What's this game? What's this game?
The next station is Itabashi.
Thank you for follow Milan. Welcome.
The doors on the right side will open. Please set your mobile phone to silent mode and refrain from talking on the phone.
What happened? What happened? I don't know.
You know, whenever there's a girl or any girls that talk to me on stream, that doesn't mean they love me. Just like when guys talk to you,
I didn't say that.
those guys want to sleep with you.
I didn't say that. What happened to you?
So in the future, if anything that happened of that nature,
What happened to you? Why?
you're now a live streamer, so you understand.
Why you're so scary?
You're now also live, and you understand
What happened?
that sometimes things just happen. You let it roll to provide a funner experience for everyone that's watching.
Why you
Understand?
What happened to you?
Nothing happened to me.
Why you look so angry?
I'm not angry. I have a smile under my mask.
So pissed. What happened?
See that smile? Okay, it's Twitch, not real life. When people talk to us, you know, it's just for them to have fun. Okay? I want you to understand that. Not for Sissy.
次は10条、
Not for
お
Sissy.
出口は左側です。
No, I'm just saying, like,
The next station
You're
is
slowly
10条
understanding live stream.
JA14.
and I'm very
The doors
happy.
on the left
You
side
did good today,
will
by the way. 6 hours. Holy shit, you stream more than me. Look, I'm smiling. Look, the smile under my mask. I'm not Haremi Reed. I am Haremi. What the heck? This when it was on MySpace.
Yes, new one. New one photo. Yes. Yes. Don't ask me. I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know. I got question mark on my head. Like Nikki and question mark at the east.